2026 Ford Transit Custom MSRT is here, and it's unlike anything the road has seen before. This isn't just a van, it's a fusion of raw motorsport energy and high-end commercial performance. A vehicle designed for those who demand more power, more style, more presence. Right now, it stands bold and unchallenged in the MSRT Performance Showroom, bathed in the glow of bright LED spotlights. The polished showroom floors reflect its aggressive stance, while the MSRT and Ford Performance logos remind you, this machine is bred for dominance. At first glance, it's clear, this van is born to perform. The MSRT rally-inspired body kit gives it a fierce and aerodynamic silhouette, while the sculpted front grille, LED headlights, and deep side skirts amplify its commanding presence. Flared wheel arches house the MSRT exclusive alloy wheels, built to grip the road with unshakable confidence. And at the rear, a roof spoiler and twin sports exhaust let everyone know, this van means business. Step inside, and the motorsport influence is undeniable. The MSRT sports seats, wrapped in luxurious leather and swayed with blue stitching, provide superior comfort and support, keeping you in control no matter the journey. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and the latest Singapore infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time navigation ensure a seamless connection between you and the road. But this Transit Custom isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine unleashes an impressive 210 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, giving you instant acceleration and effortless pulling power. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth, responsive shifts, while the MSRT tuned suspension ensures razor-sharp handling and an exhilarating driving experience. And when it comes to safety, Ford leaves nothing to chance. Packed with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, this van offers total confidence behind the wheel. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the highway, you're in complete control. The MSRT Performance Showroom is the perfect backdrop for this masterpiece. Its sleek glass walls, premium decor, and high-end ambiance emphasize the exclusivity of this high-performance commercial van. This isn't just a showroom, it's a celebration of speed, innovation, and passion. And now, the most exciting part, the price. Starting at just $59,995, the 2025-2026 Ford Transit Custom MSRT delivers an unmatched combination of power, style, and technology. This isn't just another van. This is a machine built for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. A vehicle designed for those who want to stand out, move faster, and take performance to the next level. If you're ready to experience